You join me today on the iconic Lansdowne Crescent, walking distance to the beautiful Leamington Spa. Today I'm going to be showing you around this Grade 2 listed, architect designed apartment. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 reception rooms and a separate office. It's immaculately presented throughout and has been fully renovated by the current owners. Follow me, let's go take a look. This lovely open plan kitchen dining area opens onto the delightful courtyard garden, further shared garden and rear parking. If you would like any more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me with the details that will follow. Thank you for watching.